Hey guys, it's the Awkward Professor here with another quick art tip. So we're working a 2-point perspective. The only thing that we want to do is we're going to create an awning for above your door on a building. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a door here, my left side of my building. And I'm just going to create a vertical line. And then I'm going to take the top of that vertical line back to my left vanishing point because it's a flat object on the left side of my building. Now I'm going to stop when I get just a little ways, but so you're aware that it does go back to our vanishing point, and then I'm going to finish it off with a vertical line. Now the awning, a lot of people get confused on what an awning is. It's that area above your door when you go to a restaurant or store that helps block the rain from falling down on you. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a simple concept. We're just going to create a vertical line upward. And this vertical line is going to represent this line of our building, if you want to relate it to that. And then in order to make our object stick off and away from our building, we always use our opposite vanishing point. So I'm going to create two shorter lines from my opposite vanishing point, help make that object stick out. And I'm going to finish that off with a vertical line. Now with this object, I can create any shape I want. So this is the side of my object. So if I want to create my awning and make it look a little different, I can make a shorter top here and round this edge here. And then what I'm going to do is just erase that little part of that square. And so my awning now has a different shape to it. The only thing is when I create this, I'm just going to have to keep a parallel line that looks like that. So next thing we're going to do is go to our left vanishing point. It's the same side of our object. We're going to draw that line back. And then we're going to go down to this bottom corner here. And we're going to draw that line back also, stopping roughly in the same spot. Now, over here, we have to be aware that this distance from the back corner, this front corner, is not the same distance as from this bottom corner to this front corner here. So this is longer. So here we're going to have, this will stick out a little bit further than it will up at the top. And then what we said was we're going to have to stay parallel here. So all I'm going to do is draw that curved line down. And I basically have an awning. Now we could add some details to it if we'd like. On this one, because my awning is slightly above my horizon line, if I sort of drew that across there, my horizon line's here. So we would actually see some of the bottom of that awning. So I'm going to go to that back corner here, and I'm going to take it to my same side vanishing point. And that line kind of goes along the top of that door. And then I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to go to my other vanishing point, or my opposite vanishing point. And there you have it. There's your basic awning. Now I said something about adding some detail to it. And I'm shading in the bottom of it because typically there'd be a shadow there. On the top, if we'd like to put some stripes or something, all we do is make parallel lines that match our top line. And that kind of will allow us to have a little bit of a design in there. And then you could go in and add a little value just to create some change in our awning. I could also add some stripes on the side if I would like. Maybe make some stripes in here just to give it a different type of look. If I want, I could also just shade that side in and just give it some color. But there's your awning above a door. Well, I hope this quick art tip helps. Good luck with drawing.